Hi everyone, I'm Sally, sales engineer at Cropilots in China. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you our tractor equipped with a powerful front-end loader, perfect for a wide range of farm and construction tasks. As a production factory, we focus on reliable quality and support full product customization. Whether you need different attachments, colors, or specific features, just let us know your requirements. Please note, our tractors currently do not have EPA or CE certification, so we can't export to Europe, the US, or Canada for now, but we are fully experienced in shipping to Latin America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia. Take a look at this machine in action and explore more products on my channel. If you are interested or have any questions, just scan the WhatsApp QR code in the lower right corner to contact me directly. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you find the right tractor for your needs.